2. Multiply. 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. 2 multiply 5 is equal to 1, 0. 2 multiply 6 is equal to 1, 2. 2 multiply 7 is equal to 1, 4. 2 multiply 8 is equal to 1, 6. 2 multiply 9 is equal to 1, 8. 2 multiply 1, 0 is equal to 2, 0.